Hello students, myself Dinesh Kumar, and today we'll be discussing about Radix sort, right? So this is agenda for today's lecture. We'll discuss what is Radix sort, the basic idea, then algorithm, implementation of Radix sort in C programming language, then discuss the complexity, their advantage and disadvantage of Radix sort, right, over other sorting algorithm, right? So see, Radix sort is a sorting technique which sorts the element by grouping the individual digits of the same place value, right? So like other sorting techniques, we do not compare values with each other, right? Instead of this, the we actually just like we compare two strings, the same idea will be using in Radix sort, right? So sorting elements according to their increasing or decreasing order based on their place in the key, right? So like Radix sort is a linear sorting algorithm for integers and use the concept of sorting names in the alphabetical order, right? For example, let's suppose for example, if like we have value 126, so this is the tens place, like ones place, right? This is tens place and this is hundreds place, right? And like when we want to compare, like let's suppose a these two string a b c, and then we have a b d. So we compare first two, these two are same, right? We compare this, these two are same. We compare this and this, so we found that the d is greater than c, so we say that this particular string is larger than this particular string. The same idea will be using to in Radix sort to sort the integers also, right? So we can use any type of data using the Radix sort, but there are some complication is there, right? So what we have is, it's a linear sorting algorithm for integers that use the concept of sorting names in alphabetical order, right? When we have a list of sorted names, the Radix means your base, right? Base is 26. Like when we are comparing the strings, we because there are 26 characters in the English, right? From A to Z there are 26 characters, so we'll be having 26 buckets, right? And then if we are sorting integers, then because the integer number system has a base 10, so we'll be having a 10 buckets, right? So Radix sort is sometimes also known as bucket sort, right? Now during the, see, in each pass we are actually comparing these names grouped according to the first letter, then in the second pass we group them according to the second letter, in the third pass we group them according to the third letter, and so on. And how many passes will be there? The number of passes required will be the maximum number of symbols in any key, right? So let's understand this with the help of one example. Let's come to this point. Okay, this, so we will try to sort this given list of numbers, this 15, 1, 3 to 1, 10, these how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 numbers are there, right? And how many digits are there in each this, see this, in this case we have 2 here, 1 here, 3. So maximum number of digit in any key is 3. So let me write these everyone using the 3. Okay, so first one is this, and then is 0 0 1, then I have 3 2 1, then I have 0 1 0, then I have 8 0 2, then I have 0 0 2, then I have 1 2 3, then I have 90, then I have 109, then I have 11. Okay, so what we'll do in this case is, because this is a base 10, okay, we are sorting integer numbers, so base 10 we have 0 to 9, 10 different we'll be using 10 different buckets, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8 or 9. Okay, so these are your buckets. Okay, these are your buckets. Okay, so when in the first pass, in the first pass, what we'll do is we'll sort, we'll arrange these items based on their symbol in the first, based on this in symbol in the first place. Okay, so first place, for example, this 0 1 5, the first is your 5, so we'll place this in the 5. So in this we place 0 1 5. Okay, comma, next one is 1, so we'll place this into 1. So in this bucket we place 0 0 1, comma, then we have 3 2 1, so 3 2 1 is also placed here, so it is 3 2 1, comma, then again we have, see here we have 0, so 0 will be placed here, 0 1 0. Okay, 0 1 0. Then after 0 1 0 we have 802, so last this first is the 802, so 802 will come here, 802. Okay, 802. Then we have after 802 we have 002, so again we'll write it 002. After 002 we have, see this 3, so we'll have in this bucket 1 2 and 3. Then we have, it is 090, you should, because it is required 3 digits, so 090. So after this is 090 in this bucket. Then we have 109, so 109 will be 109 109 in this. Then we have this is 011, so it is here 011. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to after first pass, our list will be, we will sort, we'll take these numbers, we'll take these numbers from the buckets. So for example, first is from 0, first is now 010. After 010 what we have is this 090. After 010 we have 090. After 090 we have 001. After that we have 321. After that we have 011. After that we have 802. After that we have 202. After that we have it is not 802, it is 002. Okay, after 002 we have 123. Then we have 015, and then finally we have 109. This. Okay, so after first pass, this is the, after first pass this is our sequence. First one is 010 and like this. Okay, so let us now run the second pass. Okay, let us now run the second pass. So in second pass what we have is, let's suppose again we need to write the bucket 0 1 2 3, and then we have 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so now in the second pass, this is pass 2. Okay, this is pass 2. In the second pass we'll see this second symbol. Okay, now in this particular second symbol is 1, so I place it into 0 1 0. You understand my point? Now in this case second symbol is 090, so I will place this into this bucket, because I am sorting this according to the second symbol. Now here we have 0, so I'll put it 0 0 1. Then we have 2, so I'll put it into 3 2 1. Then we have 0 1 1, so 0 1 1 will be 0 1 1, comma. Then we have 802, so 802 will be this 802. Okay, then we have 002, so 00 means this symbol is 2, so it is here 002. Okay, then we have 1 2 means it is 1 2 3 here. Then 015, so 015 will come into this 015, and then 109, so it is 10 and 9. Okay, So after now again after pass 2 also we will collect all these numbers, all these keys from the bucket starting from the 1, starting from the first bucket which is 0 bucket. So we'll first see use 001, then 802. So let me write down this. So it is 001, then it is 802, then it is 002, okay, then it is 109, okay, then it is 010, comma, after that it is 010, then it is 011, after that is it 015, okay, after that it is 321, after that it is 123, and after that it is 090. Okay, after second pass we have this is the sequence. See, when we collect these, when we collect these keys from these buckets, we always start from leftmost to rightmost. So first is 001, then this 802, and so on, right? So this is pass 1, where in pass 1 we have collected these into buckets based on their digit in the ones place. Okay, in pass 2 we have collected these as per the number in the tens place. Okay, so for example here if it is 090, then we have placed it in the ninth bucket, because the second symbol is the 9. Okay, so in the ninth bucket we have placed it. So how many passes are actually required is number of passes are required is 3. Why 3? Because the number of digits in a key, maximum number of digit in a key in this particular given list is 3. So we need to run the pass 3 also. Okay guys, so here we are. We have collected these. This is our original list of key values which we have to sort using Radix sort. In this sequence, what we have done is we have simply converted each and every key into a 3-digit number by placing a leading zeros, right? Required number of leading zeros, so that each and every number contains exactly 3 digits, right? Then after pass 1, this is our sequence 010. In our pass 1 we placed we collect all these keys into individual buckets based on the digit in your in the ones place. In pass 2 we apply this sequence on the pass 2, and then we collected these keys into the buckets based on the digit on their tens place. But now for the pass 3 we will look the output of the pass 2 as a input to the pass 3, right? And then we place again, we collect all these keys into the buckets, we place all these keys into the buckets based into the your third digit, right? For example, in this first key we have a 0, so we'll put this number, this key value, into the 0th bucket. So 001, so 001 it will be put here 001 and then comma. Then what is the second is 802, so its third symbol is your 8, so I will put this into here 8 0 and 2. Okay, then third one is, see this next one is 00, so third symbol of this is 0, so I'll put this into this 0 0 and 2. Okay, next one is 109, so it is 1, so I'll put it into here 1 0 and 9. Okay, then again is your 3010, so it is the third symbol is 0, so we'll put it into 0 1 and 0, we put it into the 0th bucket. Then again we have a 0, so we'll put 011 here, 011 here. Okay, then we have again 0, so 015 again we'll put it into 0th bucket, 015 comma. Then we have 321, so it is 3 now, so we'll put it here 3 2 1. Okay, then we have 1 2 3, so it is 1, so I'll put it here 123. Then after 123 we have 090, so 090 will be put here. Okay, so every pass's output is taken as input to the next pass. Okay, and this is the Now after third pass, the bucket is this. Now we collect all these keys. We collect all these keys from all these buckets, starting from the first bucket and moving from in this direction, right? So we'll first read all these key values from the bucket 0, starting from left to right, then to the second bucket, third bucket, and so on. So first is our 001. So I'll write it here. So first it is 001. Then I have 002. Then I have 010. Then I have 011, 011. Then I have 015, comma. Then I have 090. Then I have 109. Then I have 123. Then I have 321. Then I have 802. So this is the sequence. This is the sequence after the third pass. Okay. Now if you see that after the third pass, this sequence is sorted. See this in the increasing order: 1, 2, again 10, 11, 15, 90, 109, 123, 321, and 802. So it is now sorted. See, in this case, 3 passes are required. Why 3 passes? Because in our given list which we have to sort, the maximum number of digits in a single number is 3. That's why we have converted first all the given numbers into a 3-digit code. Okay, and then we have collected into the buckets, and after the buckets we have again rearranged in the sequence, so on. So after the third pass, the list will be sorted. Hope it makes clear things, right? Now this is the algorithm which will be using, which we have actually used in our case. So step number 1 is to find the largest number of array as large, and largest number of the arrays means the largest number will have the maximum number of digits, number of digits, because we required in the large. So if you have the largest number, then you'll count the number of digits in the large. Okay, then number of passes, how many passes are required? Number of passes required is equal to number of maximum digits. So if you start from 0, it will be less than equal to n minus 1, right? Number of passes will be minus 1, right? So then initialize the buckets, repeat step number 7 to 9 while I is less than n minus 1, right? So simply what we need to do is we set the digit, because we start from the first digit, ones place, then tens place, then 100 place, and so on up to how many digits are there. Okay, for example, if the number of digits in the large is 3, then ones, tens, and hundreds, this is sufficient, because 3 places we have. Okay, and every time we have to increment the bucket count, right? And finally, when the number of passes, this loop, this which goes for the loop, repeat step 5, right? And step number 5 says this, repeat step 7 to 9. When you come out of this loop, number of passes, your list will be sorted. Okay, so this is one simple algorithm using the simple procedure which we have already discussed, that we have written in the form of steps. And now, okay, let's try and execute this program in C. So I have already written a program. Let me show you this. So the maximum number of elements are 10, and elements are, let's suppose 10, we have 90, no, without any count, 10, 90, 1, 321, then 11, then 802, then 2, then 123, then 15, then 109. Total 10 elements, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this, see, after every pass it is showing what is the sequence, and after third pass the sorted array is this: 1 2 10 11 15 90 109 123 and 321. Okay, see, this is the simple procedure which we have discussed. I have implemented it using the C language, right? So this is nothing but I have written one program to find one simple function to find out the largest of the array, so that we can find out the number of digits, and we have written a main function which is used to input the contents of the number of elements of the array and the elements itself, and then a function for radix sort, right? And radix sort, we simply use the logic. We use 10 buckets, and because it is large. See, one problem with the this algorithm, this radix sort algorithm, is that for different type of data you need to write the different algorithm. Okay, different type of data you need to write the different algorithm. Even if the ascending and descending, you change from ascending order to descending order, again you need to change the algorithm. So to writing a generalized program is quite a task, right? So advantage is it is fast when the keys are short. It means when the range of the array element is less. Okay, it means, I mean, the array elements are close together. Range is very small, right? So used in suffix array construction algorithm like Manbar's algorithm and DC3 algorithm. Disadvantage is, since the radix sort depends on the digits or the number of letters, radix sort is much less flexible than other sort. For every different type of data, it needs to be rewritten, right? The constant or for the radix sort is greater as compared to the other. It takes more space compared to the quick sort because the space is required for the buckets also, right? In case of radix base is 10 your integers, then 10 buckets are required. In case you are sorting the strings, then it is 26 buckets are required. If you are sorting some alphanumeric data, then 26 plus your around 26 plus 10, this many buckets are required, and then array is required to store the values also, so more memory is required, right? So conclusion is that it is not truly linear if k is large. If in practice, radix sort only good for the large number of items, relatively small keys. Number of items are more, but the keys are less, smaller in size, and range is small. Takes more space than quicksort, that we have already discussed, and complexity is order of d multiplied by n plus p, where d is nothing but it is the number of digits, maximum number of digits in a in the list, in the largest number given in the list. Okay, n is the total numbers in the list and b is the base. Like in case of decimal number system, base is 10. In case of string, then base is 26, right, and so on, right? Okay.